Hey guys, in this lecture, we will start off by navigating the workspace and learning some essential key terms and basic features that will help you become familiar with Adobe After Effects CC layout. So basically, it starts off with a Get Started menu, and from here you can create new project, open recent projects, or you can choose not to do anything and just close it if you want to and start working on your After Effects window. So once you open your Adobe After Effects program, you will notice that there are a bunch of panels that make up the interface of After Effects. But the most important three that I want you to focus on are the Project panel, the Composition panel, and the Timeline. Also, I want you to note that when I click on the different panels, I get a highlight letting me know that that panel is active. The Project panel is the panel that you will use to import and organize all the assets you'll be using in your After Effects project. Whenever you want to import anything to your After Effects, double-click here, then go to the folder where your items are saved, select any, then click Import. Now when you create a group of layers, you will actually be creating a thing called a composition. And the composition is represented here in the Composition panel. And the composition's layers will be represented down here in the timeline. So now to be able to create any layers here on your timeline, you must first create a new composition. And to create a new composition, go to Composition in the menu bar and select New Composition. Or you can click on New Composition here. Or simply hit Ctrl or Command N on keyboard. This will open up the new Composition Settings window. And here you can set some settings like the quality, dimensions, the name, duration, and color. Once you have set this according to your preference, click OK to start. Now here I have my tools bar where I can, for instance, select the text tool, click on my composition and start writing my text. Say, for instance, you want to adjust your text font type, size, and color here. All you have to do is select the text layer and go to the Character panel and start adjusting your text. Whenever you couldn't find any panel already displayed on your interface, simply go to the Window menu bar and you will find it there. Also, I have some shapes in my tools bar that I can select, then click and drag on my composition to start drawing. Also, another important panel is the Effects and Presets, which we will use throughout our coming lectures. Here you can find all the effects that you can apply on any layer on your timeline. Just select the effect, then drag and drop it on the layer. And that will open up the Effects Control Settings window where you can adjust any field related to this effect. So this is simply a very quick overview about Adobe After Effects interface that you need to know for now in order to proceed with this course and be able to follow up with the projects that we are gonna be creating together later on. In the next lecture, I'll be introducing you to the 5 basic transforms, keyframing, and easy ease. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next lecture.